Since the beginning of time, the shores of the river Yelek, the left tributary of the Grand Ural, were teemed with every activity imaginable. For 100 years, it had been an inseparable part of nomads' way of life inhabited by the river. Historically, the Aktobe region was formed and developed as a border area, situated at the junction of Europe and Asia. Since ancient times, commercial caravan routes passed through the Aktobe region, connecting huge distances between Siberia, the Volga region, and Central Asia. Nowadays, the Aktobe region is the second largest area in the country. The region covers an extensive area of 300,000 square meters and borders with 6 regions of Kazakhstan, and on the north with Ortenburg region of the Russian Federation, and on the south with of the Republic of Uzbekistan. Largely, these facts conditioned the region as multinational, multicultural, and multi-confessional, with a population of 1 million dwellers. All forms of tourism are developed in the region. Everyone who has visited this region feels the vast expanses of the Great Steppe, tempting beauty of untouched nature, a rich heritage of historical monuments. The region's center is developing rapidly. The heart of the region is the city of Aktobe. The city, which is located on the territory of 2,300 square kilometers, possesses a code of harmony, absorbing new tendencies in architecture and private houses, national color, and the Eurasian culture. The population of the city is approximately 500,000 urban citizens. Social and life-sustaining infrastructure is developing. New health centers, cultural areas, and entertainment centers are opening. New housing units, new roads are being constructed, and new manufacturing facilities are being opened. Aktobe is defined as a center of economic growth among the 4 largest cities of Kazakhstan, with further dynamic growth into the city of 1 million. The territory of the Aktobe region is rich of natural beauty. Such variety of landscapes cannot be found in any country in the world. One of them is the geological cross-section Aidarlyasha, which from Kazakh means tufted gully. It is exactly that area where you can touch the sandstone beds and limestone with remains of animals which lived 300 million years ago. The length of the cross-section is 1.5 kilometers. In 1996, the geological cross-section Aidarlyasha was awarded the status of Global Stratotype. Landscape reminding the Martian is the meteor crater ZHAMANSHIN. The crater was formed from 100,000 to 900,000 years ago, when a meteorite hit the Earth's surface. Here you may witness consequences of extensive cosmic events that had been happening in those early times. Yergiz Torgai National Forest Reserve is located not far from the crater. The area of 763,549 hectares comprises 250 species of birds, 29 species of mammals, 14 species of reptiles, and 4 species of amphibians. The lakes in Yergiz Torgai are populated by more than 10 species of fish. Moreover, in the southern part of the forest reserve lives taiga antelope, the representative of ABAT-BAITAK population. A nature trail of Myladar Lakes system functions here. Pink flamingo, which is listed in the Red Book, migrates in this picturesque place. The wonderful nature of this region always beckons you with its beauty. One of the most scenic and mysterious places of the Aktobe region is chalk-colored mountains. Peaks of the mountains have different shapes, plateau-like, arched, and pointy. In some cases, they are connected by ridges. In other cases, they are divided by deep ravines. The nature-created terraces, pits, labyrinths, columns, ledges, and niche. One of the mountains reminds of a single humped camel with a head held high in the air. The other mountain reminds of a mushroom. The Aktalagai has gentle slope in eastern part, but western one drops off to a canyon. Looking down from height creates an impression of an amphitheater of enormous dimensions. Mountain of Akbota Sankibai. In the 18th century lived a man called Sankibai, and he had a herd of horses. In those days, men of villages paid a courtesy call to Akbulkhair Khan every year. Taking advantage of the absence of warriors in the village, he was attacked by Kalmyks and rustled his cattle. Sakibai's brave daughter gathered all youngsters and rushed into the pursuit. She was seriously wounded in the battle and passed away. Sankibai turned into stone when he learned about the death of his daughter. Since then, the impregnable rock depicting the merger of 2 figures began to bear the name of Akbota Sankibai. Asmantai Matai is located in the southern part of Ustyurt Plateau. This place is famous for the presence of crust and salt and odor of hydrogen sulfide. Local people proudly call a picturesque corner in KARGALY area the Switzerland of steppes. Standing there, it is possible to feel all the untouched beauty of KARGALY Reservoir. Watch a unique process of sturgeon breeding and steel yourself in Pantocrine Health Resort. Keep in mind that there is a specially protected natural territory called ABAT-BAITAK. This place is unique with its fauna and flora. Nature has been generous to Martuk area, bestowing it coniferous forests, the purest streams, and rare species of plants that have healing properties. There is a year-round tourist camp with developed winter and ecologic tourism. The famous Kazakh scientist and folklorist Shokan Ualikhanov considered the tribes of Junior Jews as autochthonous people of Kazakh territory. Indeed, a number of tribes have such an old origin that the beginning of their genealogy is lost in ancient myths. It concerns the common name of the tribe Alshin of Junior Jews. The brightest representatives of Khans in Junior Jews in Kazakh history is Abu Khair Khan. The memorial Khan Malasi was raised at the burial site of Great Khan of Junior Jews and Commander-in-Chief of United Kazakh Army Khan Abu Khair. He is the vivid representative of his era. He combined bravery of a warrior, skills of a great commander, and diplomatic skills. Khan's wise policy assisted to save nation during the Great Scourge and from invasion of numerous enemies. Architectural ensemble NECROPOLIS ABAT-BAITAK is the contemporary of the Golden Horde and stores lots of legends and stories. According to one of them, it is a place where the son of a famous Kazakh philosopher, Hasan Kaigi, ABAT-BATIR, was buried. He protected native lands from enemies' raids. According to other legend, after ABAT-BATIR's demise, grieving people raised a memorial at the place of his death just in 3 days. For that very reason, the word Baitak, which means national, was added to Abat. Epos Koblandi takes special place in oral creative work of Kazakh nation. Epos narrates about invincible Batir, who were heroically protecting native land from enemies during the Great Scourge. A fragile girl, Aliya Moldagalova, native to Khubda region, sniper of the 54th Separate Infantry Brigade, destroyed several dozens of enemies. On 14 January of 1944, taking part in emancipation of Kazachicha village, she heroically died in battle. For bravery and military valor demonstrated in battlefields, she was posthumously awarded a title of Hero of the Soviet Union. A museum of patriotic center was built in memory of the brave girl. The museum is redundant for exhibits illustrating the life and feat of a young hero, Aliya Moldagalova. Eset Batir's place of burial is a real center of pilgrimage. The great commander from the line Tama became famous as a tireless fighter for independence of Kazakh nation and made significant contribution to the establishment of a single state. The main place of trade in steppe was fairs. In the 19th century, there were more than hundreds of them in Kazakhstan, and one of them was Kokzhar, located on the route of the ancient Silk Road in Oil region. A huge area equipped with shops made of red burned bricks were able to accommodate a big amount of merchants who were offering nomads fur, tea, sugar, dishes, and many things. The main and the most expensive stuff of all times were cotton, brought from Central Asia. Today, one thing is clear. Aktobe is a region with a high touristic potential and a rich historical heritage. It aspires to preserve age-old tradition and culture of the Kazakh nation. Delighted to meet guests and glad to see all who value glorious past of this land and believe in the enviable perspective of the region. Welcome to Aktobe.